Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a tasty walnut glazed shrimp with honey sauce. Once you try it, you'll definitely want to make it again. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. I'm using 16 to 20 per pound colossal shrimps. De-shelled, de-veined and washed. In a small saucepan, add 1/2 cup of water. Into that, add 1/2 cup of unbleached cane sugar. Bring it to a nice boil. You may use either roasted or raw walnuts. Into that, add 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is optional. Add walnuts and boil for just 2 minutes. Take it off from the heat. Dry them on a sheet of wax paper. Set it aside. Let's prepare the batter for the shrimp. In a mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, less than 1/4 cup of corn flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well and set it aside. In a bowl, crack open an egg and beat it well. Add this into the dry mixture. Into that, add a teaspoon of oil. I'm using virgin sunflower oil. Add 1/2 cup of water. Mix it well. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Leave it for 10 minutes. Add salt to taste. Freshly ground black pepper and mix it well. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and give it a good mix. For sweet sauce, I'm adding 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. In a small frying pan, add enough oil for frying over medium heat. Mix the batter one more time. To make sure the oil is ready, just put a drop of batter into the oil. If it comes up immediately, the oil is ready to use. Take each shrimp and dip it into the batter. Shake off the excess and put it in the oil. Fry them on medium heat. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Take them off and dry them on a paper towel. Very crispy. They look so good. And then do the rest. Transfer the fried shrimp to a mixing bowl. Mix the sweet sauce one more time and pour it over the shrimp. Mix them well. Let's arrange the shrimp with glazed walnuts and sweet sauce on the plate. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm so happy it came out very well. So perfect. It goes very well with any kind of noodles. Today I'm serving it with some tasty vegetable noodles. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos.